Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Singapore. This is a box from a company called KOKA from Singapore. Let's crack this open and see what's inside. Paper. So a little while back I noticed that KOKA had a couple new products available, so I asked if they could send a couple, and they did. So it's a new line of multigrain noodles. Cool. These are all cups. This is their mala spicy variety. Pepper crab. Notice it says it comes with purple corn. And finally, 5 spiced duck. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at KOKA in Singapore. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.